What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back. Got a few good surprises for today. So we're still working on the garage. So if you've tuned into the last video, you've seen our progress so far. Bike rack, and we're working on the pegboard. So I got the frame all the way secured to the wall. Now we're gonna hang the pegboard up and probably gonna frame it. I want to do like a decorative frame or something around it. But yeah, that's where we're at now, so let's jump to it. Alright, so I'm going to use the same technique that I did for hanging my boards. Got a screw just at the base here and here, so I can pick my pegboard up, set it on there. I can secure it because I only have 2 of these, and that makes that kind of stuff kind of hard. But I have my drill ready. I have my ladder here close, so I can kind of reach everything, grab it, put it where I need it to go. Slide this over here. Same thing with this. Screw in my pocket. One in standby. Alright, let's see how this works. Square. I like it. Square. Perfect, dude. Couldn't ask for a better square. Cool. We'll go ahead and put the one in here. Hold it. Yeah, I like it. It's like perfect. Perfect. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get this secured all the way around, and then we'll look at the framing. Put up the first one at the bottom, but using some nails instead of screws. Just because it looks cleaner. So I got my little screws back on there to hold my board up for me. Just gonna make sure that the angles are even where they need to be. Pretty good there. Pretty good there. Alright, go ahead and nail it on. Go ahead and get the top piece on. I got it cut already, and then we can measure our sides and fit those in. We'll have a nice little frame there. Should definitely be a lot easier with an extra hand for sure. FYI. We'll go ahead and get our side pieces measured and cut and put in. Coming along nice. It's good. Alright, so the pegboard is done, and I have to say so myself. Looks like it come out pretty darn good. Nice frame around it. Makes it look nice, kind of classy, I guess. I mean, it's a garage, but still want it to be cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this pegboard off because it's not necessary. I don't need that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off, clean that wall up, and yeah, I'll make this my little bike shop area. I have my bike stand and stuff I'll put over there for when I need to work on stuff. And I'll have all my tools and everything handy here. yeah, so we'll go ahead and start working on this side. Alright, so we got all this cleaned up, everything taken off the wall. I'm just going to slide this shelf here in this corner for now. Let's see how it looks. That's good stuff. It's perfect right there. I like it. Awesome. Perfect timing. UPS actually just dropped off some packages. That's going to be our next thing to do today. My wife hates when I do this, and I don't know why I do this, but I do it when I'm really excited and I'm saying something and I really want you to pay attention to. So yeah, let's go catch some boxes. What are you doing, silly? Crazy head. Yes. Gotta love Amazon. So the little one is for Mom, I think. Yes. The big one is for Dad. Awesome. Let's go check it out. Show you what we got. I love when UPS drops off packages. So this is the next awesome upgrade for the garage. And it is LED lamps. We're going to put some LEDs up. It's going to be awesome. Watch, I get all this junk in the background. Okay, so they have 4 light sockets in here. What's cool about these, it's like direct plug and play. So you just take this LED light, there's a bunch of other junk. This is not unboxing, but it is an awesome LED light. So you just screw this in there and you got like nothing but LED lights, and you can adjust it all kind of ways, whatever. So let's plug them up, see what they look like. They were rather cheap. I got like the Black Friday special thing we're offering. I got a set of 4 with all the hardware and stuff for, I want to say it was $39. I think it was $39 on Amazon. At Lowe's they were $29 a piece. So let's check them out. Let's install a couple. See what I do. First thing I gotta do is get this garage closed. I can kind of show you what I'm talking about. So there's a light here. There's one in that corner, which you can see is the only one that works. There's one here, and there's one here. But look how dark it gets. And of course there's one in the garage, but the door opener, that doesn't count though. Look how dark it is. So this is like a good before and after. I mean, you got one light working. It's pretty dull. So let's start with this one, and let's get it swapped out and let's see how bright these things are. Oh my goodness! Holy crap, that's bright! Wow. Yeah, they got these little fins you can adjust them. I guess we'll have to do a little bit of time. Holy crap, that's super bright. Wow. Man, that's awesome. Can you see that? Oh yeah. Look how bright that thing is. Cool. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get the other ones replaced and we'll see how much brighter the whole garage is. It's gonna be really nice for working at night. Hopefully it's evenly distributed. I'm pretty sure it will be. But yeah, let's get the other ones done. That's bright, huh?
Yeah. The garage.
It's so bright. Whew.
Yeah.
I know, that's what I said.
Holy crap.
It's super bright. We still got 2 more to put in. I know, that's what I was saying earlier. I was like, I hope these things work good. And they are super bright.
Oh, look it up.
I know, it's hard to put them in. Like when you screw them in, blindly knock you down.
Well, that's easier than changing the whole,
Heck yeah, that's what I said. It's like it just screws into the socket. And that's it. And it's adjustable. So like you can try it different ways to see how it distributes the light the best. Like you can like angle it or whatever. So it's pretty cool. You just screw it in.
might angle them up.
I might. I'm gonna see. I'll try a couple and see how they work. See how it casts the light, you know? Wow. Let me tell you what. This is amazing. Look how bright those things are. I went ahead and flipped them up. I know you can't really see because it's stupid bright. But instead of having them like laid out flat the way they were earlier, I went ahead and folded the fins up to where they went towards the roof. That way it disperses the light evenly everywhere, so there's not like a whole bunch of blind spots. And it seems to have really helped. It's super bright. It's awesome. There's a few spots where it's brighter than others, but I mean, for the most part, it's gonna work out well. I like it a lot. What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back. Wanted to show you around the garage. Everything that we've done was fairly cheap, inexpensive organization stuff. Nothing too crazy. The lights came out pretty awesome. They're super bright. I really do like the way it came out. I talked about doing a workbench here, maybe later. Right now I don't see the need for it. Everything works out well. Got plenty of space for activities. I'm gonna be getting the Jeep in here for a few videos, probably, I don't know, next week or so. But I got some surprises coming with that. But yeah, that's the end of this video. If anybody has any questions or just needs some ideas or help organizing, I'm decent at it and I enjoy doing it. So just hit us up. Make sure and like and subscribe down there at the bottom. Leave us some comments. And yeah, thanks for checking us out. Later.